If you don't have a ton of time to make YouTube content, but you know that you should be to build your personal brand, your YouTube channel, or your business, this is the perfect video for you because I'm going to break down how to do YouTube in just 1 hour a week. Now, the thing is, I actually have a group call for the Content Academy, my YouTube coaching program, in 20 minutes. And so I probably 20 minutes ago came up with this video idea, outlined it. Now I'm going to share it with you guys. And it's kind of a testament to show that you don't need to put in a ton of time and effort in order to actually get a video up on YouTube. So let's break it down. First of all, the very first thing we need to think through is your format. This is actually how you're going to do this. Now, different formats would be like vlogs, you have talking heads. This is a talking head, but I like to call this kind of podcast style. The reason I call it kind of podcast style is because there's going to be not a lot of editing here, and I'm probably not even going to edit this video at all. I'm just going to add on the screen share, and I'm going to cut back and forth between me and the screen share. And so this is a podcast style of edit. Another thing to think about is you want to make sure that you can either have no editing or minimal editing. And this is this first thing I'm really going to go over is for somebody that doesn't have an editor. So if you do not have a YouTube editor, I'm going to give you a really simple framework you can use to do this in just an hour. So you want to find a format, right? What you don't want to do is you don't want to come up with a format like doing a challenge, or I tried something for 7 days and I quit sugar for 7 days. This is what happened to my body. You don't have the time to do that if you just have an hour. Now, you could kind of document stuff, but we want these videos to be super, super simple. And so you don't want to choose something that would take a ton of time. Now, as far as the timing, this is where a lot of people mess up because they overthink and then they really run out of time. And so all you really need to do is, now real quick, if you're looking to make a lot of money from YouTube for your online business, if that is you, check the link in the description. I show you exactly how to do it, making very simple YouTube videos just like this. Check that out. We'll go back to the video right now. For 5 minutes, you're going to come up with your YouTube title. Now, this is your video idea as well, but don't spend more than 5 minutes researching or coming up with different titles. Literally just 5 minutes. Go on YouTube, look for some inspiration, look for some videos in your niche that are doing well, meaning they're getting a lot of views, maybe even more views than subscribers. That would be a good indicator. If it's an outlier, if it worked for someone else, it probably could work for you. And you want to just come up with your YouTube title first before you shoot your video, write out your content, anything. We're not thinking of content yet. We're just thinking about that YouTube title. Now, from there, what we're going to do is then we're going to spend 5 minutes coming up with our content. And this is going to be bullet points. And so for me, you'll probably see me looking over at my laptop. I have some bullet points listed on this video. And I actually came up with the title for this video first because I know a lot of people struggle with finding the time to actually create YouTube content to build their business, their personal brand. And so I thought, let me make a video around this. I came up with the title, and then next thing I did was I came up with my content, which was bullet points. Now, the second thing that we're going to do from here is we are going to spend 20 minutes shooting this thing. And I actually have about 15 minutes now until I need to go on my call. And so that kind of falls for me, 20 minutes, we're going to shoot. From there, that's 30 minutes. You have now 30 minutes to make an edit. And again, this is going to be minimal edits. Maybe you trim the beginning and the end. And maybe if you have a screen share, you're doing slides or drawing on an iPad like this, you're just going to overlay that, export it, get it up, edited, uploaded, and a thumbnail. And I'm telling you, keep it simple. The only way you can do this is if you keep it simple. And so this should be your motto. Don't overthink it. Keep it simple. The goal here with your content is it should just be valuable. And if it's valuable, it's going to be helpful. And I'll tell you this, if you post a video once a week, just one time a week, it is absolutely better than posting 0 videos at all. Because what happens is over a year, you're going to have 52 hours put into YouTube, and you're going to have 52 videos. And even if it's not a ton of views or a ton of growth or the best way to do YouTube, I'm not saying this is the best growth strategy, but whatever comes from this, the views and the subs and the revenue, if you're sending people to your business, is going to 1,000x, right? It's going to 100x, 10x, whatever, if you didn't post anything at all. And of course that makes sense, but this is where, and I'm speaking from experience, this is where I overthink. I don't make any YouTube videos because I'm overthinking. I'm comparing myself actually to other creators and looking at what they're doing. And I go, well, this video that I'm making right now is not going to be as valuable, as helpful, as entertaining or educational, maybe as a different video. But the truth is, this video right here, I know is going to help somebody who is an overthinker, a perfectionist, just like me. And that's the goal with this video, is strictly, I'm thinking about that one person and I go, you know what? Even if I make this video and it's not the best video in the world and I could have made it better, whatever, it's helping somebody. And so it's important to think about that. And another thing I want you to think about, and this is what I'm doing, is timers. Set a timer. That way, when you are over here coming up with your 5-minute title, your 5 minutes of content, you actually stick to it. And this is hard to do, but what I love that the timer does is it forces you to move on, and it kind of allows you to go, I know it could be better, but the timer ran out, so I can't do it. If you're an overthinker, keep it simple. If you're a perfectionist, tell yourself, make bad videos. Here in a few minutes, I got to go on a call, but I'm like, you know what? I want to get another video out. And I've had people asking me this question. This video might not go viral. It might not get a ton of views, and it could have been way better. But that's kind of the beautiful thing about giving yourself a limit, especially when you're busy running a business or you're busy doing whatever it is. This is what you need to tell yourself. And I actually break down why you should make bad videos, how to make bad videos in the video you're seeing on the screen right now. So go check that out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.